It's no surprise that most men have failed and will fail NoFap. The main reason for this is a subtle but significant mindset shift that is required. Failure to make this subtle mindset shift will cost you your NoFap track record and may even reintroduce you to your excessive addiction to PMO. When most men embark on this journey of self-recovery, they make semen retention their main objective rather than a means to an end. That's correct. When you make NoFap your goal rather than a path to your other goals, you are already among the 99% of men destined to fail. When you set NoFap as your goal, it's almost as if you are trying to elevate it. This very subtle mindset tells your subconscious that NoFap is unattainable and that you will eventually give up, whether it is 1 month from now or 1 year from now. If you put anything on a pedestal, whether it's females or other things in life, you're trying to tell your mind in a very subtle manner that whatever's on the pedestal is unattainable. Remember that NoFap is only a path. Take advantage of it. Don't focus solely on NoFap. Instead, let it be a way of life that runs in the background while your primary focus is on your primary objective, whether that is physical wellness, a relationship with God, money, or interactions and hypergamy. When you make NoFap your end goal, your subconscious will constantly tell you, don't fap, don't fap. And whatever you concentrate on, that is exactly what you will do. You will eventually relapse. Instead, if you concentrate on your goal, that is exactly what you will achieve. As the saying goes, you turn into whatever takes your focus. Because NoFap is placed on a pedestal, it becomes a challenging task for 99% of men rather than a lifestyle. I want you to do this exercise with me. Close your eyes for a few seconds. Whatever you do, do not think about a white elephant. Close your eyes and imagine anything but a white elephant. To make it easier, you can pause this video for a few seconds. Okay, now open your eyes. The more you tried to not think of a white elephant, the more you thought about it. Why? Because you're fixated on the elephant. Instead, imagine if you had said to yourself, okay, I'm going to imagine a red Lamborghini. You would have not even considered the white elephant because your focus has shifted to a specific target and goal. The same is true for NoFap. Concentrate on your goal and let NoFap be just a way of life in the background. This subtle mindset will assist you in accomplishing more and remaining committed to whatever it is you're doing. So, brothers, whatever you do in life, never put it on a pedestal. Instead, expect God. Everything in life is attainable, including sperm retention. It's entirely possible to live on NoFap for 6 or even 10 years, but it all starts with the right attitude. Having a clear understanding of where your focus should be directed. Your attention is a form of energy in and of itself. Like physical desire, whatever you focus your attention on is what you will be drawn into. Just like that white elephant, even though you didn't want to think about it, you failed because your attention was focused on the elephant rather than imagining something else. So, gather yourself and begin with the proper mindset. This could imply that you write down in your diary what you have to do for the day every morning. For example, I will get up at 6 a.m. From 6 a.m. to 8 a.m., I will pray, work out, eat breakfast, and get myself ready, among other things. By planning your day thoroughly, you can focus your attention on what you must do rather than what you should avoid. You won't have time to consider the white elephant. Why? Because your attention is now being focused on the appropriate activities.